The Roman Forum is one of the most fascinating places in Rome because it was once the center of an entire empire. What looks like just ruins today was actually the political, religious, and social heart of ancient Rome for over 1,000 years. Emperors gave speeches here, massive celebrations filled the streets, criminal trials took place in public squares, and some of the most important events in history unfolded right on this ground. The Roman Forum sits between the Colosseum and Palatine Hill, and nearly every major figure in Roman history passed through it at some point. At its height, this area was packed with temples, government buildings, markets, monuments, and public gathering spaces. Today, you are essentially walking through what used to be downtown ancient Rome. One of the most famous stories connected to the Forum involves Julius Caesar. After his assassination in 44 BC, his funeral was held here, and according to ancient accounts, the crowd became so emotional and angry that riots broke out across the city. His cremation site is still marked within the Forum today, and visitors often leave flowers there. The Forum is also tied to the dramatic rise and fall of emperors. Victorious generals once marched through here during massive triumph parades, showing off treasure and prisoners captured in war. Imagine thousands of Romans lining the streets while soldiers celebrated military victories across Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. One of the most interesting buildings is the Temple of Saturn, whose towering columns still stand today. The temple once held the Roman Empire's treasury, essentially making it the ancient version of a national bank. Nearby was the Curia Julia, where the Roman Senate met to debate laws and political decisions that helped shape the empire. Another fascinating part of the Forum is how layered it is. Over centuries, buildings were destroyed, rebuilt, buried, and reused. Some of the pathways you walk on are original Roman roads worn by smooth chariots and sandals over 2,000 years ago. And then there is the story of how the Forum was lost entirely. After the fall of the Roman Empire, the area slowly filled with dirt and debris over centuries and was eventually used as farmland known as the cow field. Many ancient buildings disappeared beneath the earth until archaeological excavations uncovered them again. Today, walking through the Roman Forum feels less like visiting ruins and more like stepping into the remains of a civilization that shaped the modern world. Politics, religion, warfare, architecture, and daily life all collided here, which is exactly why it remains one of the most important archaeological sites on Earth. You can't miss it on a trip to Rome. You can even buy bundled tickets for the Roman Forum, Palatine Hill, and the Colosseum all in one.